Good morning, class. So we've been talking about different vocabulary words and how we can broaden our understanding. Do y'all remember us learning about that? Yeah, give me a thumbs up. Ooh, I see lots of thumbs up. Excellent job, class. Well, today I have a new strategy for us to help understand vocabulary words and to broaden our understanding. That way, when we read them tomorrow, they almost become sight words and we immediately know what they mean when we look at them, okay? So this is called the Frayer model. And I'm going to demonstrate for you how I want you to do this. So right now I want you to put your pens and paper down, and I want you to watch me, okay? So this is a big square with one circle in the middle, okay? And the circle is where we're going to put our new vocabulary word. So remember in our science unit, we've been talking about the different types of animals and the classifications. Let's do that in this model. So we've been learning about reptiles. So we'll put reptiles in our circle. So that's the word we've been learning about, right? Reptiles. And up here we have definition. So let's write the definition. Reptiles, I think, are a type of animal that's cold-blooded and lays eggs. Let me write that. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals who lay eggs. Okay, so I have reptiles here in my circle, and I have the definition. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals who lay eggs. Let's list some facts or characteristics. So one fact can be they can live in water. They use the sun to heat them up. I remember that in our science unit. So the sun gives them warmth. And they can live all over the world. They live all over the world. Okay, so now I'm going to write some examples. So I know that snakes are reptiles, and I also know that turtles are. So I'll put snakes and turtles. So those are my examples, snakes and turtles. So some non-examples would be, let me think. My dog is not a reptile, so dogs. And farm animals aren't reptiles, so I'm going to put cows. Okay, and that's my Frayer model. That's how I'm going to do it. Now, I want you all to get out a sheet of paper and get a pencil, and we're going to do this together, okay? And then after we do it together, I'm going to let you do it on your own with your shoulder buddies, okay? So, what's a new word? Can anybody raise their hand and tell me a new word that we've been learning in our science unit that we can do? Let me see those hands. Okay, yes, you right there. Mammals, that's another one we've been learning about. Excellent job. So, class, once you have this written down, give me a thumbs up. Okay, I see all of my thumbs up. And let's write mammals here in the middle. Mammals, excellent job. So can anybody tell me a definition of mammals? Good job. Mammals are warm-blooded creatures. What else? Warm-blooded. That give birth to their babies, that's right. Birth to their babies and provide milk. Good job. 2. So I think that's good for our definition. Excellent job. Mammals are warm-blooded that give birth to their babies and provide milk. Let's do some characteristics. What are some characteristics you can think of? Oh, good. We're mammals, so we are mammals. They can live all over the world, I heard you say. Good job. And they typically have hair or fur. So we'll write that. Hair / fur. Good job, class. Okay, what are some examples we can have? Okay, so horses. Whales, that's a good one too. I heard somebody say whales. What's one more example we can write on here? Anybody have any ideas? Oh, yeah, remember we wrote dog on non-examples, but it is our example this time, so dogs. Good job. What are some non-examples, class? Birds. Good. Oh, I heard somebody say fish. Good job. What are some other ones? Let's think of another one really quickly. One more non-example. What about snakes? Because those were reptiles, remember? So let's write snakes up here. Oh, good job, class. So we have the Frayer model filled out, okay? So now I'm going to give you a list of new vocabulary words, and I want you to work with your shoulder buddies and your table partners to come up with your own Frayer model, okay? I'm going to walk around the classroom and check on you if you have any questions. Does that sound good? Okay, let's go, class.